students, we are starting a new lesson, lesson number 7, True Happiness. Children, in this chapter, we will understand how we will just get the true happiness in our life. There is a misconception in the society that one can be happy if one has a lots of money and has the capacity to buy luxuries. जनरली सोसाइटी में पीपल क्या सोचते हैं कि उनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा होगा, इफ़ दे हैव ए लग्जरी आइटम्स इन देयर लाइफ दे विल बी मोर हैप्पी. बट दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज हैप्पीनेस इज़ एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ माइंड. if we think we are happy, we have everything in the life, we will be happy. And if we think that we have a lots of problems in the life, we need lots of luxurious items, we have nothing in the life, then we will not happy. अगर हम सोचेंगे कि जो भी हमारे पास है वो बहुत है और हम खुश हैं, तो हम खुशी महसूस करेंगे. और अगर हम सोचेंगे कि हमारे पास लग्जरी आइटम्स नहीं है, हमारे फ्रेंड्स के पास इतने आइटम्स हैं, उनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा है, वो ज़्यादा हैप्पी हैं और हम जो है बहुत ही दुखी हैं, तो हम दुखी ही रहेंगे, हम हैप्पी फील नहीं करेंगे. इट्स जस्ट अ एटीट्यूड ऑफ माइंड. ये हम पे है वेदर वी वांट टू बी हैप्पी or sad in the life. A survey conducted at international level has revealed that the richest and the poorest have almost equal occasions for happiness, and in most of the cases both get the same amount of happiness, though their means of attaining happiness are different. एक सर्वे के अकॉर्डिंग rich or poor people have a almost equal occasions for happiness. Most of the cases they get the same amount of happiness, but how they attain the happiness is different. उन्होंने कैसे happiness ली वो different हो सकता है. A poor becomes happy if he gets just 2 square meals. A rich can be happy if he earns a huge profit in the business. Poor people सोचते हैं कि अगर हमें खाना मिल जाए तो भी हम happy रहेंगे. And if we talk about the rich people, businessmen, they just think about the huge profits in the business. If they have a huge profits, they think that they are happy. An unemployed man thinks that he would be the happiest person if he gets a suitable job. A farmer becomes happy when he gets good crops. A child becomes happy when he wins a games or secure good marks. Everyone has a different way to attaining the happiness, but such happiness is very short lived. ये जितनी भी तरीके से हैप्पीनेस है ये बहुत ही शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए होती है. अ मैन विद वेदर अ रिच और पुअर रिमेन्स हैप्पी टिल ऑल हिज डिज़ायर्स आर फुलफिल्ड. अगर हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि हमारी लाइफ में ये होगा तो हम हैप्पी रहेंगे, हम ये बाय कर लेंगे तो हम हैप्पी रहेंगे, हमने ये अचीव कर लिया तो हम हैप्पी रहेंगे, अगर हम अपनी हैप्पीनेस को कंपेयर करेंगे तो फिर ये हैप्पीनेस जो है वो तब तक ही रहेगी जब तक कि वो डिज़ायर फुलफिल नहीं हो जाती. सपोज if you have a desire to buy a car, if you have till that you have not buy a car, you feel that you are unhappy. As you will buy the car you will be happy, but after that that happiness will not remain forever. अगर हमने कुछ परचेज करने के लिए सोचा है कि अगर वो चीज़ होगी तो हम हमेशा हैप्पी रहेंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं है. हम कुछ परचेज करने के बाद भी हैप्पी नहीं रहेंगे, वो तो बस उसी टाइम पीरियड के लिए होगा, थोड़े टाइम के लिए कि हमने परचेज किया है. सो दैट हैप्पीनेस विल बी नॉट फॉर एवर इन द लाइफ. Maybe possible now after that we will think for some other item, and then again we start that if that thing will be in the life we will be happy. अगर हम किसी चीज़ को परचेज करने से, ऑब्जेक्ट कोई मोटो पूरा करने पर हैप्पी होते हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये हैप्पीनेस जो है वो शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए होती है. Therefore this happiness is not true or lasting happiness. Permanent happiness is something different which depends upon the attitude of our माइंड. ये हैप्पीनेस जो होती है ये लास्ट हैप्पीनेस नहीं होती है, हमारी डिज़ायर बढ़ती जाती है और हमारे हैप्पीनेस का जो मोटो है वो डिफरेंट होता जाता है. इफ़ यू वांट ट्रू हैप्पीनेस दैन इट इज़ जस्ट अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. अगर हम वी वांट हैप्पीनेस इन द लाइफ तो वी शुड थिंक दैट वी आर हैप्पी, वी हैव एवरीथिंग इन द लाइफ. हमें सोचना होगा कि हम हैप्पी हैं. मैनी थिंकर्स हैव एडवोकेट 7 फंडामेंटल लाइक कंटेंटमेंट, internal peace, dominion over oneself, purity, compassion, affectionate words, consideration for friends, essential for true happiness. There are some fundamentals like contentment. If we feel that we if we have a satisfaction in the life with whatever in our life, then it also give us happiness. अगर हमारी लाइफ में जो भी है उससे अगर हम सेटिस्फाइड रहेंगे, हम जिस पोस्ट पे हैं, हम जहाँ पर भी हैं, जो भी हमारे पास फाइनेंशियली अगर हम उससे सेटिस्फाइड रहेंगे, तो भी वी विल गेट द हैप्पीनेस, इंटरनल पीस. हैप्पीनेस, we can get happiness if we are internally calm, we have a peace of mind, then we will be happy. If we have a control on our mind thinking, then we also be happy. Purity, compassion, affectionate words. अगर कोई हमसे अफेक्शनेट वर्ड्स बोल रहा है, अगर हम किसी के लिए ऐसा फील करते हैं, देन वी विल बी ऑल्सो फील हैप्पी इन आवर लाइफ. बिकॉज इफ़ वी विल जस्ट think good for others, do good for others, same we will also get in the life. अगर हम दूसरों के लिए अच्छा सोचेंगे तो हमारे साथ भी अच्छा होगा. So these are some fundamentals that give us the happiness. Worries, tensions, failures, sorrows are part of life. No one can be free from sorrows throughout his life, but overcoming these sorrows and difficulties should be the aim of our life. ट्रू हैप्पीनेस डज नॉट मीन दैट देर विल बी नो प्रॉब्लम इन आवर लाइफ. हमारी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स भी होंगी, फेलियर्स भी होंगे, टेंशन्स भी होंगे, बट if we have a true happiness, if we have a peace of mind, if we have a satisfaction in the life, then we will just find the way to just overcome these problems. We will just face them. हम उनको face करेंगे. We will just try to come out from these problems, and again we will be in the happy environment. Thus a contented and a busy man is a happy man. We should be hardworking. Besides, we should be hopeful and enthusiastic. And if you want to be happy in the life, we should do the work continuously. हमें work करते रहना चाहिए. We should be hopeful that if the problems are coming today, in the future they will be just move out from our life. We should be enthusiastic to do anything in the life. We should be enthusiastic to find the new ways to face the challenges. हमें new ways find out करने चाहिए. We should be always hopeful in the life. That is very much important. We should not never lose heart in times of sorrow and difficulties. We should always be busy to make our life better and contented. Problems आने पर we should not lose heart. We should think that we will come out from these problems. We should try to find the ways. Problem आने पर we should not feel fear. हमें डरना नहीं चाहिए, हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, so that in the future we can be come out from these problems. And always we should be do work to make our life better and contented. It doesn't mean that we should run to earn the money and luxuries in our life. हमें हमारी लाइफ में वर्क करना चाहिए, बिजी होना चाहिए, बट वी शुड नॉट रन फॉर लग्जरीज एंड मनी की दीज थिंग्स विल गिव अस ट्रू हैप्पीनेस. टू बी हैप्पी वी मस्ट हैव द स्पिरिट टू मेक अदर्स हैप्पी. एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ वी थिंक गुड फॉर अदर्स, थिंग्स विल बी गुड इन आवर लाइफ ऑल्सो. इसीलिए हमें दूसरों के लिए भी अच्छा सोचना चाहिए. वी शुड थिंक दैट अदर्स शुड ऑल्सो बी हैप्पी. We must spread cheerfulness to be cheerful. If we want to be cheerful, we should spread cheerfulness in others' life. Now we will just read a story. This is a story is about a king named Midas. He believed that he would be more happy on getting more and more wealth. He always tried to make more wealth. There was a king Midas who always thought for the luxuries and wealth in the life. He always thought that he will be happy if he had a more and more wealth. Once the goddess of wealth appeared before him and allowed King Midas to ask for a boon. One day, goddess of wealth appeared and she said to king that ask for a boon, वरदान. Goddess ने किंग को वरदान मांगने के लिए कहा. He asked that whatever he touched should be changed into gold. He said that if he touch anything, it should be turned into gold. वो जो भी टच करे वो गोल्ड में चेंज हो जाना चाहिए. The goddess granted the boon. To test the power of golden touch, King Midas touched a vase kept in his room. So, for testing, he touched a vase. It turned into the gold at once. To his greatest surprise, King Midas started touching and dancing all around his room. When King found that goddess has given him boon and it is working, जब King को लगा ये work कर रहा है तो he was very happy and he started dancing in the room and touching everything. Everything he touched turned into the gold. That time whatever he was touching turned into the gold. जो भी वो touch कर रहा था वो gold में change हो गया. Meanwhile, his only daughter, who was very dear to him, entered in his room. King Midas, who had turned maid with joy, forgot everything and hugged his daughter because king was very happy. So in the happiness, he touched his daughter, hugged his daughter, and it was the greatest unfortunate event that his only daughter turned into a statue of gold. और उस किंग की डॉटर भी गोल्ड के स्टैचू में चेंज हो गई. इन नो टाइम ऑल हिज जॉय टर्न इनटू द सॉरो और इमीडिएटली हिज happiness turned into the sorrow. King Midas hugged the golden statue and wept his heart out. He repeatedly begged and prayed before the goddess, and then he felt that what he did, and then he prayed to goddess. He promised that he would sacrifice all his wealth and even his crown to get his beloved daughter back. He prayed to the goddess that please return him his daughter. He will just give sacrifice all his wealth. This melted the heart of the goddess of wealth, and she again appeared before him. And when the goddess heard, she again appeared before him. She turned the golden statue of his daughter back into life, and again the king got his daughter. King Midas thanked the goddess and realized that happiness does not lie in the wealth. Money and wealth is necessary only within a limit. Sometimes money can become the biggest enemy of one's life. Then king realized that everything is not the gold and wealth in the life. हमेशा wealth होना, gold होना, सब कुछ यही नहीं होता है. Sometimes it is also a biggest enemy of life, because if we only run towards money and wealth and luxuries, these conditions never give us happiness. These increase tensions in our life. Therefore, we should learn to live happily with whatever we have in the life. We should understand that we can be happy, we can be satisfied with whatever in our life. Our constant desire to get more and more wealth may disrupt our happiness. अगर हमारी डिज़ायर बढ़ती जाएगी कि हमें ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, तो हमें हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिलेगी. इट विल बी जस्ट move out from our life. There are still many people in our age who have Midas like attitude. They want to make more and more money. They want to enjoy all kinds of physical luxuries and pleasure. Besides, they want to accumulate wealth for their coming generation. In today's generation, many people think that only money can get them happiness, and they just run towards this. This kind of attitude forces them to indulge in wrong practices and to earn money and money for happiness, and happiness can be only get through money and luxuries. Sometimes force them to indulge in wrong activities. कभी कभी कुछ लोग ज़्यादा पैसा कमाने के चक्कर में लग्जरीज के लिए जो है इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. Many of them are caught by police and they spend the rest of their life in a miserable conditions. And sometimes they caught by police, they have to live their life in a very bad conditions. We see such kind of incidences on TV almost every day. People should try to find happiness in what they have. And children, everyone should understand that satisfaction in the life is important. Everyone should understand that whatever they have, they should be feel happy with them. जो भी हमारे पास है उससे हमें खुश रहना चाहिए. We should not see others, what others are getting. We should think what you are having. हमें अपने बारे में सोचना चाहिए. आपको अपने ही बारे में सोचना चाहिए. आप दूसरों के बारे में मत सोचिए कि दूसरों के पास क्या है और क्या नहीं. Yes, you should try to be just better your life in, but you should not रन टूवर्ड्स मनी। आपको अपनी लाइफ को बेटर बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, लेकिन उसके पीछे भागना नहीं चाहिए। मैनी पीपल स्पेंड देयर होल लाइफ इन सर्च ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। दे थिंक दैट दे विल इंजॉय आफ्टर अचीविंग सर्टेन गोल्स। उनको लगता है कि, कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि अगर वो ये गोल अचीव कर लेंगे तो वो हैप्पी हो जाएंगे, कुछ को लगता है कि वो ये बाय कर लेंगे तो हैप्पी होंगे। Children, this is not there. You cannot be happy in your life if you just feel that happiness comes with things. Happiness comes when you achieve the goals. No, happiness we have to find in ourselves. This is not a right way. We should enjoy every moment of our life because we don't know what is going to happen the very next moment. And also, children, we should live in present, and we should be satisfied, we should be happy with our life. Whatever we are having, we should be satisfied with it, because we don't know what can be happen in the future. हम ये नहीं जानते future में क्या होगा. So you should always try to be happy in your life. Thank you.